Hello everybody, FBNS61 here. Welcome to another Watch Dogs campaign video. Yeah, here we go. Here we go. We have to go down and shut down CTOS now. Getting out my gun made the window disappear. We gotta get into that room there. We have to go all the way around, I think.
We are DedSec. We've been watching. We know what you're doing. You're killing the lies to CTOS.
Enjoy the show.
Give us 30 seconds.
For what?
30 seconds inside CTOS, we drop in our code. Then, when the system reboots, DedSec will control the machine from inside. We will correct what Boom has broken. 30 seconds is all we need.
30 seconds, no one knows? Our little secret?
We will be your watchdogs.
No. I'm tired of all the noise.
We will not forget this.
So that goes there. That goes there. That can also go across there, which unlocks that. Using that can unlock that. That doesn't really do much, but do that there. It goes across to there. Need one from here. So it goes out, yes, got it. Intrude. Yeah. There we go.
I went to a satellite from the Arturo virus would reboot the entire system. No, it's not Damien. I'm gonna find out.
There we go. We just shut down the whole CTOS system. Okay, we gotta use the boat to reach Damien. I see what I mean by we may have some deaths caused.
Why are you so damn stubborn? Quinn's dead. You got your sister back, and Clara, she stabbed you in the back. She helped kill your precious Lena. You know it's true.
What about you? Some might blame you for Lena's death.
I wonder who would think that, huh? But why stop there? Perhaps we should blame you. As I recall, the Murloc job was your plan.
I blame myself every day for the plan, for meeting you, for not stopping you when I had the chance. I don't make that mistake anymore. I see a problem, I step in.
Oh yes, the vigilante. I've read your headlines.
You're the only problem I see now, and I'm coming for you.
I don't think Damien's very powerful without. Into the small bridge. Let's go.
Lighthouse. Power's still running out there. That's Damien.
The only place in the whole map that's not in the whole the whole town that's like got like no, still got power. Then you're gonna think that's gonna be where the person is, isn't it? Right? Walking across here. Up we go.
Remember when you and I first decided to pool our talents? The schemes we were planning? We had so much drive, but never like this. Look outside. We've taken down a goddamn city!
Up there goes the lift. He's bound to be at the top, isn't he?
Now I'm spending my final hours standing on the Widow's Walk. That's what they call the Lighthouse Lookout. The Widow's Walk. Did you know that? I didn't. Seems fitting. Everything reeks of conclusion.
Let's go and get Damien. This is a big moment, guys. We're about to kill Damien. Once and for all. Oh yeah. Top we go.
Come on. Surprise, surprise.
You got a speech, Damien? Anything you want to say?
You know who I am now.
That's it? That's all you got?
Hey, fuck you. Look at you. You clout over people to get to a mob boss. You think you're absolved because your cause is what? Noble?
You played me. That's what this is about.
I played you. Clara is as much your fault. So is your niece. That's why you sent your family away, right? They know what you are. Play a beautiful game. Sometimes you still lose.
Blah, blah, blah. Jesus, you guys talk a lot. What are you doing here?
Sorry, pal. New contract. Kick it over.
What?
Come on, kick it over.
Wow.
Oh, you're hilarious. You know, you guys take things far too personally. That's your problem. That's why this went wrong. There's lessons to be learned here, fellas. Up. Phone two. Give it to me. Come on, hand it over.
Taken down.
I don't know what Damien wanted in those final moments. Death, I suppose. I thought I could fix the little girl's death, but instead it led to all of this. Exposed lies, corrupted kings, a broken city. And me, changed man. I don't look back anymore. I don't regret. I look forward. Everything is connected, and I'll use that to expose, to protect, and if necessary, to punish.
Is this the ending? I've got a feeling this is the ending. We finished the game.
Once again, Mayor Rushmore is dead. Police are not revealing any information. The leaked documents found extensive corruption and deep ties between the mayor and the Chicago South Club leader, Lucky Quinn. Did the mayor kill himself over this exposure, or was he executed? Bloom Director of Public Relations, Charlotte Gardner, has issued a statement regarding the recent CTOS troubles. We knew all along that our CTOS network would be a target for hackers of all strengths and skills. It's been an excellent proving ground to demonstrate how robust our system really is. We're so pleased with the results. Our firewall security withheld the worst of the attacks, and in some cases, trip switches closed the systems off before any access could be gained. Your personal information remains secure. Our CTOS network is restored to full operations.
This was a really cool game. I don't want to watch the CTOS video.
Where we want to spend more time with loved ones, be active in our communities.
We can't even skip this.
Bloom Industries listen to you and your needs. We are embarking on a global journey. We want the world to be a community. CTOS 2.0, focusing on you, putting you on the global stage. CTOS 2.0, making smart cities even smarter.
I wonder if they're going to ever bring out a second Watch Dogs.
Up next, an interview with a woman who claims to know the vigilante, Aiden Pierce.
Renowned child psychologist Yolanda Mendez is with us. Dr. Mendez, your story is extraordinary. You actually know Aiden Pierce, the man we know as the vigilante. Tell us how that came about.
I met Mr. Pierce through the family, his sister.
This was a surprise to us. We couldn't find any information about him at all. It's great that you've come forward. You were treating her son for trauma?
Yes, well, naturally I can't discuss any of that. Not even their names.
No. We wouldn't ask you to. But that's how you met Aiden Pierce. What's he like?
It's impossible to say for certain what he's really like. He masks his personality, and he's very good at it.
Is he?
He isn't like someone playing poker. This is a very smart man who is looking to gain the upper hand in every situation.
And you're writing a book.
Yes, I am. It's a book about the whole experience, a study on Mr. Pierce. I really wanted to explore this complex man's mind.
I'm sure it'll be a fascinating read. Dr. Mendez, thank you.
DedSec has had enough. Our warnings have fallen on deaf ears. Our reputation has been attacked by weaklings such as Default. Heed our final warning. There will be a reckoning. We are vigilant against the Watchers. We are capable. We are unstoppable. We are at war.
We're going to have a second one where we're against
While a
DedSec.
statement from the Commissioner's office
Hope we do.
acknowledges the recent decline in criminal activity, the vigilante known as the Fox is only given the slightest praise for his crime-fighting efforts. An anonymous source told our reporters that members of the police department are more enthusiastic about the vigilante than they are allowed to publicly disclose. With Chicago still reeling from the shocking revelations of Rose Washington's murder and Mayor Rushmore's subsequent death, there has been little appetite for politics or elections. One name that's been floated about is Bloom's VP of Communications, Charlotte Gardner. Her supporters insist Ms. Gardner will restore integrity and trust to a city that sorely needs it.
There's so many people in it that made
City
this.
officials are picking up the pieces from the shocking chaos brought on by a massive CTOS malfunction. The city experienced major power outages, bridge disruptions, and thousands of dollars in damages. While CTOS is back online, many are raising questions about the safety features needed to run a complex system in a major city.
Is that it? I think that's it. This? I wish we could skip it. I wish we hadn't. I'm glad we didn't skip this now. Because we can't anyway. This is a really good game. No, I'm not joking. This has been one of my favourite games to play ever. Like probably in the top 3 best games I've ever played. I like this game. And there you go. There's an extra bit.
I'm bleeding here. You?
I'm holding up.
I got one last bone for you to chase. Maurice finally gave in, then suddenly he was all talk. I'll give you the location, the rest you can work out yourself.
That's business, huh?
Yeah, that's right. It's all business.
Jordy's like that. Tidy fixer. Keeps the loose ends clean. Maurice is one of his loose ends. And he's ultimately my problem. He's the one who shot my car. Killed my niece. I want to say we're different, but I don't know anymore. How many people have I hurt? Killed? Who deserves to die? Who decides that?
Wow. We got to get this location now, or is the game finished? Or was the location thing maybe the Watch Dogs 2 thing that I was on about, that maybe they bring out? Here we are. Oh, here we are.
Maybe I'll finish it up. Clean out some loose ends. I know you'll be back. Guys like us, we don't know when to stop.
Hope for the kill. Guys, let me know. Did I make the right decision killing him? Or should I have just walked away and left Maurice? Let me know in the comments down below. Hope you've enjoyed the Watch Dogs campaign walkthrough. And here's some classy music to end it all.
Wake up, sunshine. Open up your sleepy eyes for me. Can't have you hiding. I've been waiting all the night. People waiting for the light. Sunshine, sunshine.
Okay guys, sorry for talking over the ending. Just before the video ends, I'd just like, in the comments down below, there's 3 things I'd like to know. First of all, was shooting Maurice a good idea or a bad idea? Or do you get something different happen if you walk away? I don't know. Second of all, put down in the comments what game you would like to see me do a let's play, or just have like some, or do like a funny moments video or something, just play. And thirdly, put down any videos or or any games you'd like me to do a complete series on, also down in the comments. So those 3 things: whether shooting Maurice was a good idea, what games you'd like to see me play, and what games you'd like me to do a series on. Hope you've all enjoyed the series. Hope you've all enjoyed this ending video. I've been a bit Dwarves, and peace out.